Good morning, children. A warm welcome to your maths class. In previous class, I explained about fractions of multiplications. Today, I am going to explain real life applications in this topic. Okay, children? Real life applications means there is nothing but word problems. You know that. You have to follow the 4 steps. What is the first step? You should read the question. Second step, what is given we have to notice. And third one, what operation we have to apply. And fourth one, find the result. These are the 4 steps we are following for doing these word problems. Now, I am going to read the question. Listen carefully. 12 boys go to a circus if each ticket cost rupees 23/4. How much do they have to pay in all? This is exercise 6.15, second problem. First problem you should take as a homework. Okay, in that 5 bits are there, that 5 you have to do. So, how many members went to circus? This is the second step. 12 boys went to circus. What is the cost of each ticket? 20 rupees, 3/4. Right? And what do you want to find out here? What is the cost of 12 tickets? That we have to find. Okay, children? See, children, number of boys is equal to, how many members went to circus? 12 members, right? So, well, right here. Next, cost of each ticket. What is the cost of each ticket, Nana? Rupees 23/4. What is this fraction is called? This is a mixed fraction. You should convert it to improper fraction, right? So, how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction? Denominator into whole number plus numerator by same denominator. So, 4 20s. 2 4 are 80 plus 3. 83 by 4 rupees. Cost of the each ticket is rupees 83/4. One item cost, you know that. So many items cost you want to find out. What we have to do? We should do what operation? Multiplication. Right? So, cost of 12 tickets is equal to 12 into each ticket cost. How much each ticket cost? 83/4. Right? See, this is a whole number and this is a improper fraction. What operation we are doing? Multiplication. So what we have to do? 12 means this is in the numerator. Denominator must be 1. Right? So first numerator and second denominator, see that. Any common factor in these two numbers? Yes. What is the common factor? 4. With that 4, it cancels both the numerator and denominator. Right? 4 ones are 4. 4 how many times goes in 12? 3 times. Right? So denominators both are 1. So no need to do any operation. Now 3 into rupees 83. So how much? See, 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. So how much rupees? Cost of 12 tickets is equal to rupees 249. Is it clear? Now I am going to explain the third question in exercise 6.15. See here, I am reading the question, first step. See, the cost of 1 kg sweets is rupees 51/2. What is the cost of 1/2 kg sweets? So, what is the second step? What is given we have to find. What is given in this question? Cost of 1 kg sweets. How much? Rupees 51/2. Right? What do you want to find out? Cost of 2.5 kg sweets. That we we have to find. Okay, children? See, the cost of 1 kg sweets is equal to how much? Rupees 50, 1 by 2. What is this fraction? It is a mixed fraction. You should convert into improper fraction. How to convert an improper fraction, a mixed fraction into an improper fraction? Denominator into whole number plus numerator by same denominator. See here, 250s are 100, 100 plus 1, 101 by 2 rupees. Right? Here, the cost of 1 by 2 kgs of sweets. 1 kg sweets cost, you know that. So how many sweets cost you want to find out? What we have to do? You should do multiplication. Right? So do multiplication. 1 by 2 kgs into 1 by 2 kgs into rupees 101 by 2. Right? This is also a mixed fraction. You should convert into improper fraction. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 kgs into 101 by 2. Right? Here, see, first numerator and first denominator. We check it. In these two numbers, any common factor? No. Then we have to check it. First numerator and second denominator. In these two, any common factor? No. So, now you check it as first numerator and second numerator, first denominator. This is an even number, but this is not an even number. So, any table will not go in these two numbers. Same way, second numerator and first denominator, both you check it. Any common factor in these two numbers? No. So, what we have to do now? You should do numerator and numerator do multiplication. Denominator into denominator you do multiplication. First numerator and the numerator you should do multiplication and write in the numerator place. Same way, denominator into denominator you should do multiplication and write in the denominator place. See, 5 into 101. 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. So, numerator writing multiplication and write in the numerator place. Now, I am going to multiply denominators. 2 2s are 4. That we have to write in the denominator place. Now, what is the fraction? That is an improper fraction. That improper fraction you should convert into mixed fraction. How to convert? This numerator you should divide by denominator. See, 505 you should divide by 4. 4 how many times it will goes in 5? 1 time. 4 ones are 4. What is the remainder? 1. Now bring this 0. Now how many times it will goes? 4 2s are. The 2 you should write in the quotient place. 4 2s are 8. Now you do subtraction. 10 minus 8. 2. Now you bring this 5. Right? Now 4 how many times it will goes in 24? 4 6 are 24. What is the remainder? 1. Anything is there to bring down? No. So the sum is finished. Now this is called whole number and this is called numerator and this is called denominator. So how can we write that number? 126 1 by 4. This is the mixed fraction. So the cost of 1 by 2 kg sweets is 126 rupees, 126 1 by 4 rupees. Okay, children? See, fourth question in this exercise, Nana. A man walks 3 by 4 kilometers in 1 hour. How far does he go in 1 by 2 hours? What is given in the question? How much time a man can take to walk, how much distance he travel in 1 hour? 3 by 4 kilometers. Okay. Then what do you want to find out? How much distance he traveled in 1 by 2 hours? That we have to find out. Okay. 3/4 kilometers. What is this fraction? This is a mixed fraction. You should convert into improper fraction, right? So you should convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction? Denominator into whole number plus numerator by same denominator, right? So 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 by 4 kilometers. Right? Now, distance covered in 1/2 hours. 1 hour, how much distance you know that? Now, 1/2 hours means this is it. 1 hour you know that. More hours you want to find out. What operation you have to apply? You should apply multiplication. Right? So, 1/2 into 15/4 kilometers. Right? This 1/2 is also in mixed fraction. That also you should convert into improper fraction. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3/2 into 15/4. Right? Now you check it. In these two, any common number? No. Then you go to first numerator and second denominator. In these two, any common factor? No. So you have to follow first numerator, first denominator and second numerator. Compare these two. In these two, any common factor? No. This is an even number, this is an odd number. So any table will not go in these two numbers. Now you check it in these two numbers. Any table will go? No. So what we have to do? We should multiply both the numerators and write in the numerator place, and both the denominators, multiply both the denominators and write in the denominator place. 3 15s are 45 by 2 4s are 8 kilometers. Right? What is this fraction? This is an improper fraction. That improper fraction you should convert into mixed fraction. So how to convert? Numerator you should divide by the denominator. Right? Now 8 how many times it will goes in 45? 8 5s are 40. Right? So what is the denominator? The remainder 5. Anything is there to bring down? No. So the sum is completed. So this quotient is called whole number, and this remainder is called numerator, and this divisor is called denominator. So that can be written as 5 by 8 kilometers. Is it clear, children? See, fifth question in this exercise, Nana. If 1 liter of petrol costs rupees 71/2, what is the cost of 10 liters of petrol? That is the question. So, what is the cost of 1 liter petrol, Nana? 71/2 rupees. What do you want to find out? 10 liter cost of 10 liters petrol. We have to find. Okay? The cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to how much? Rupees 71/2. This is a mixed fraction. You should convert into improper fraction. 72s are 140 plus 1. 141. So 141 by 2 rupees. Okay, right? Now, the cost of 10 liter petrol is equal to 1 liter petrol cost. We know that 10 liters petrol cost we want to find out. What we have to do? We should do multiplication. So rupees 10 into, so 10 into rupees 141 by 2. That is equal to, see, check it both. 2 and 10. What is the common factor? 2 is the common factor. With the 2 you cancel both the numerator and denominator. Right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So what is the cost? 5 into 141 rupees. That is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 22 is the carrying number. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. So how much? 10 liters petrol cost 705 rupees. Okay. So sixth question in exercise 6.15. Mala can swim 1/3/2 meters in 1 second. What distance can she swim in 1 minute? Here it is given in seconds, it is given in minutes. So both you should convert into in 1 minute, either minutes or seconds. It is easy. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. That conversion is very easy. Okay. So in 1 second, how much distance Mala swim? 1/3/4 meters. Okay. How much distance she swim in 1 minute? We have to find. Okay, children. See now. Mala covered distance can swim in 1 second is equal to how much distance she covered? 1/3/5 meters. This is a mixed fraction. You should convert into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8/5 meters. Right? 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Right? Now, distance can swim in 60 seconds is equal to 60 into 8/5 meters. In 1 second, how much distance she swim is given. We have to find in 60 seconds how much distance she covered. You want to find. One item cost, you know that more means you have to do multiply. That's why I write like this. Okay. Now, in this 60, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. In these two numbers, what is the common factor? 5 is the common factor. With that 5 cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 12s are 60. That is equal to what is left? 12 into 8. Right? 12 8s are 96 meters. She swims in 1 minute is equal to distance she swim in 1 minute is equal to distance she swim in 1 minute is equal to how much distance? 96 meters. Clear, children? Like this, you have to do first one and seventh one. Take as a homework. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.